Elon Musk is angry on Apple for using unfair tactics in the ranking system of App Store. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. In the recent drama, Apple's been accused by the billionaire Elon Musk for hindering the original rankings while favoring its own apps. This was brought to light where Elon's most famous app, X, previously known as Twitter, and their AI chatbot Grok was nowhere in the recommended apps, let alone the rankings. Due to this, Apple has faced antitrust of its fans globally. This isn't the first time Apple's done this. The tech giant's been under such accusations for quite a few times now and has paid fines for it too. In April, European Union regulators fined the company 500 million euros for violating competition rules by restricting developers from directing users to cheaper options outside of its Play Store. But if Apple wants to establish a monopoly, it should at least keep the competition healthy, right? Last year, Apple paid $2 billion penalty for allegedly favoring its own music streaming services over competitors like Spotify. Again, unhealthy competition. The owner of SpaceX and Tesla claims Apple is serving the iOS developers and making it impossible for any other AI other than OpenAI to reach the rankings. He said, "This is an unequivocal antitrust violation. xAI will take immediate legal action. Apple really should opt for the fair means, or it will only drive away its fans." This was all about Elon Musk versus Apple. What's your say in this? Whose side are you picking? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.